We're almost at the end of our project, but you might have spotted a real annoyance in our code. When the keyboard appears for a check amount, it never goes away. This is a problem with the decimal and number keypads, because the regular alphabetical keyboard has a built-in return or done button that will dismiss the keyboard automatically. However, we can fix this here with a little extra work. First, we've got to give SwiftUI some way of determining whether the check amount box is currently focused, whether it's receiving text input from the user or not. And second, we've got to add some kind of button to remove that focus when the user wants, which will in turn dismiss the keyboard. To solve the first one, you've got to meet a new property wrapper called focus state. This is just like a regular state property, but it's designed just to handle focus input in our UI. So, in Content View, add a new property here at focus state, private var, amount is focused, is a bool. And now we can attach that to our text field. So when the text field is active, that boolean becomes true. Otherwise, it remains false. So to this text field for amount here, I'll say .focused is $amount is focused. And that's the first part of our problem solved. Although we can't see anything different on the screen, SwiftUI can at least silently be aware when that text field is receiving focus or not. The second part of our problem is to add a toolbar button to dismiss the keyboard, but only when that text field is currently active. To make this work well requires me to see a couple of new SwiftUI pieces of code. I think the best thing to do is just show you the code and then walk you through what it does later. You want to find your navigation title modifier here and add this below. .toolbar, if amount is focused, then button done with the action of amount is focused equals false. Let's break that down. First, this toolbar modifier here lets us specify toolbar items for review. These might appear in various places, like next to the keyboard, in a top bar or somewhere else. We aren't saying where, so iOS will choose for us. This condition checks whether amount is focused is true or false currently. We only want to show the button when it's currently true. And then inside the condition is a button with some tappable text saying done. We're going to provide some code to run when the button's tapped. That is this code here. Amount is focused false, so the keyboard gets dismissed. Let's press Command R and see how it looks. You'll see we have no obvious toolbar button right now, but I press into this check amount area, up appears done, press done, keyboard goes away, and done goes away as well, like that. You'll meet these more in the future, but for now I hope you can see it's a real improvement. Anyway, that was the last step in this project, so please pat yourself on the back. This project's finished.